is Gold Bar Waterfall.
Okay, keep going straight. Turn this way a tiny bit, like that, now level it out. Alright, go forward. Now start turning this way a little bit, now level it out. Go a little bit to this side, and then level it out again, and then you can probably come down. Just nice and slow.
Oh shit, here we go.
Your left tire is about to hit that one little level part.
Scared the fucking shit out of me.
I wonder what